We're gonna see Charlie's new pastime. What'd you find, Bubba? What'd you find? What'd you find? Are you gonna stop? Well, at a rug? Nothing under there. Nope, nothing under there. Ooh. Gotcha. Where are you going? Hi. Yeah? You gonna do something? Whoop. Oh, what's that? Does that do the same thing? They're funny. You coming over? Come. There we go. Come here. Can you come here? Come here. Hey, Charlie. What about this one? Hey. Can you go get that? Go get it. Oh. You want that one now? What about that one? Yeah? Hey. Come here. You come to Mama? Can you come to Mama? Whoop. Where are you going to go? Can you go? I know you can go backwards. Now what are you going to do? Yeah? Where are you going to go? You come to Mommy? Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Really? Hey. Charlie. Hey. Whoa. No. Hey. Hey. Hi. Come here. Whoa. Hey. 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 The fire is so delightful. Your favorite song? That's your favorite song. Say, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, whoa, let us know, let us know, let us know. Hey, Bubba. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. He only likes the first verse. Isn't that right? Can I get a smile? Can I get a smile? How about now? The weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. You're a goof. You know that? Did you know that? Oh. Oh. No bite. No bite. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Light. Yes. Bye-bye.